Hi everyone, it's Wayne again from Free State Chopper. Okay, so we opened last week Wednesday, so we'll be going for a week now, and we just wanted to make a updated video of what's happening at the shop at the moment. Okay, so what's new is this 1931 Ford Model A. This is going to be a Free State Chopper project, a very long-term project. Okay, so we'll be posting videos as I get things done here, as we go. Then the CX500 Gold is coming along nicely. I'm just waiting for a programmable CDI for it, and then we'll have the wiring. Then I can complete the wiring and finish this bike off. All right, and okay, this is all covered up now. But this is the blue Chevrolet. It's very, very close. So we'll be having videos of this as we get it completed. All right, and then on this side over here, you follow me here. We still have this Harley-Davidson sidecar rig for sale. Like I mentioned before, the tires are brand new. The gondola, it's a steel gondola, freshly painted. Might not be the right color, but anyway, there we go. That's for sale. Contact us if you're interested. The 45 WLA project is coming along nicely. So all I've got to do left is finish off the bodywork. I've got to do a repair here to this rear fender so I can get this all mounted up. And then the paint work, and then I've got to rebuild the engine and the transmission. So we're very close here. Okay, then, sorry, coming to this side again, I'm going to jump around a bit. This is another WL 45. It was restored about 10 years ago, but never started really. So we're starting it up. We started it up now. I got it started and everything, and it's not charging properly, so I'm busy rebuilding the generator on this. This is a T143 project, a Dyna with a 143 cubic inch SNS engine. I've been riding this in and getting the tune close so that when the bike is finished it will be rideable. So I've just got a bit of work to do there, so I'm going to move over here to show you. I don't know if anyone, anyway, so this is the bike's fairing I'm busy making out of brass. Okay, so this is the bike's fairing I'm busy making, so I'm making it out of brass. So there's still, as you can see, there's still a ways to go. It all has to be fitted, so the bike will have this brass fairing. So yeah, so I'll be moving on to this project also soon. This is the project we did for a while ago for a customer in Kimberley. It came for some bad road damage, you know, bad roads, potholes, all that kind of thing. So we're going to just fix some things up on this. This is also a Free State Chopper project that we're going to get going again. Well, it's almost done, just a bit of wiring to do, and we're going to keep this bike the way it was built originally by Hilton, and you know, and this was his vision and stuff. We changed a few things just to make it rideable for my length and for Mariska. Otherwise, we'll keep it as true to what Hilton, the original builder of the bike, had envisioned. To keep his vision and dream alive. Okay. So this is 2007 Heritage. Just stator problems, primary rebuild, new tires, that kind of thing. All right, sorry. Then Chevrolet project here, new tires. Also, the bike stood for about 15 years. We're getting it going again, fixing the wiring, new tires. The rim, this rim. Also, I've shown this before. The front rim was very badly rusted, so we cleaned up all the rust, and we put epoxy prime on it. So that's drying now. So we'll put the tire, then that'll be done. So we're getting this all going again. This is also a very good customer of our Renews. We're just getting this bike. Also, you hit a cone in the road or something, so we're just doing some small damage repair there. Then this is also a service and new tires. And then this bike came in, a customer from Kimberley. He had a bit of a mishap. I won't say what happened, but somebody rode into the back of him. So the fender, we've paint stripped it already. So I've already started. It was hit from the back. So this was all bent in. So I've just started repairing it now. So it's stuck, but we will be doing a video. Okay. We will be doing a little bit of a video series. Not a little bit, we're doing a video series of this repair of this fender from start to finish in metal finish. So that'll be coming up. Yeah, so and then also, I don't know, I've never mentioned this before, but yeah, this is also a Free State Chopper project. a very long-term piece of chocolate project. It's a board track racer that I'm planning to build for us out of an Ironhead Sportster engine. I cut the transmission off it, and I'm just getting it mocked up in my head, to get ideas on how I'm going to go about it. So anyway, I think that's it. That's the update for what's happening at the moment. We've got Rishi's got 2 paint jobs going, but we'll be making another video for that. So again, thanks to everyone that supports us. Thanks to everyone that likes and shares our posts and follows us, and motivates us to keep going. Thank you very much.